What's going on, guys? I'm making a follow-up video to the video that I made just a day or two ago. If you guys don't know, my hotel room was broken into, and all my camera gear that I use to run my channel and do everything, editing, my editing laptop, all my cameras, all my gear, tripods, microphones, everything was stolen from my room. And it was pretty devastating. You know, it hit me hard that morning because I think it was all really sinking in. It really didn't hit me the night before when I was talking to the police and filing a police report and things of that nature. Yeah, I'm just trying to give you a follow-up right now. I didn't want to set up a GoFundMe because in my head I was like, you know, it's like you're just a guy that lost a bunch of camera equipment and is looking to get more looking to get it replaced. It's like people have bigger problems, you know what I mean? But there were a couple GoFundMes that were set up, but I had no clue who these people were and things of that nature. And I'm sure it was started with the best intentions, but you know, it's kind of hard for me. I don't know. I just wanted to make sure. I didn't want something to happen where people would donate to a GoFundMe that I have no control over, and then end up not receiving the funds if that's what people are spending their money on. So I went ahead and set up a GoFundMe, and I'll link it up in the description below if you wanna donate. But I put it up last night about 7 o'clock, and it hasn't even been a full 24 hours, and it's already reached at almost 50% its goal. There's like something like $2,400 already in there, and it's only been not even a day yet. So I just want to say thank you to all of you guys that donated. You know, big shouts to Matt Blackmer, Tint Wiz, Tint Z. I mean, these guys were donating $200, $300, $400, $500 in donations, which is just so generous. And not just them, but everyone that donated, whether it's $2, $5, $100. I really want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are phenomenal. And the support from the community is what's really mind blowing. You know, because I do always preach, you know, that I'm looking to help improve the industry and help improve people and help people. And just the outreach of positivity and comments about, you know, that people have learned how to tint, have started businesses over this channel, and have supported this channel and things like that, and just really good positive stuff. And I'm really glad that I am a part of an industry that does kind of help out each other in need. So I just want to say thank you to that. If you haven't donated and you're interested in donating, again, I'll have the GoFundMe link in the description below. But after all the dust settles, I think this GoFundMe is actually going to work, and I'll be able to recoup and be able to get back all the equipment that I did lose. So it really is unbelievable. And I just, like I said, I don't want to ramble too far, and this isn't obviously scripted or anything like that, but again, I just wanted to say thank you to you guys in the community, and it looks like I won't be down for long, thanks to you guys. So thank you again, and I will see you soon.